Hello and welcome back to my channel, Home Remedy, the channel which is here to help you make your financial success a reality and providing you with tips and tricks on how to achieve your aims to success. Now, today I wanted to cover Bitcoin. I've previously done some videos on this, which you would have seen if you go back in the records, and I wanted to do it more today than any other time because of the FUD in the market at the moment, which is fear, uncertainty and doubt. A lot of rumours going around regards the future of Bitcoin. And I just wanted to address some of those. I'm not a financial advisor, so any information I give you is just my own thoughts and my sort of take on it. So I'm just advising you of what's worked for me in the past and what my strategy will be. At the moment of making this recording, Bitcoin's about $37,000. Now, there was a lot of rumors in the market and other YouTube channels that the price may crash over the weekend, and it's not happened. It's stayed pretty steady. Now, recently there has been a lot of FUD, as I mentioned, fear, uncertainty and doubt. A lot of people have a vested interest to keep knocking Bitcoin, to put you off investing. And one of the main reasons that I feel this is the reason is because they want to pick up your Bitcoin at a very cheap price. As we all know, Bitcoin, there's only a certain amount of Bitcoin that's available. And these big wealthy institutes do not want to pay top dollar for Bitcoin. They want Bitcoin at a cheap price. Some of them may have missed the boat. They may not invested in Bitcoin, and now they've realized that they've missed out. They see the future of Bitcoin. So what their agenda is to bring the price down as low as possible so they can snap it up. And one of the ways they do this is to put doubt in the market, give you the impression that Bitcoin is going to crash, make you think you're going to lose all your money. It's a psychological game, and then you sell and they snap it up, and then you've missed out big time on your life-changing wealth. So what I do is hold. I don't listen to the market, the rumors. I don't listen to the fear. And obviously, people that are new coming into the market, they'll be influenced by all this, but I've been there, I've done it. I was in Bitcoin a few years ago. People were spreading rumors about it going to crash. There was a lot of doubt. I sold, and then the price went shooting back up. Then I missed out big time. So I'm not going to obviously go down that route again. Okay, the route for me is to hold, keep strong, and let's keep on the route I'm going. There are a lot of, as I said, big institutes out there that will deliberately pay journalists to write stories about Bitcoin falling or going to crash, and then that rumor then spreads among the community and people start to panic, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Something that probably was never going to happen, but then people make it happen by believing, all the rumors, and then there's a knock-on effect. That's the problem. And then also these institutes, they will basically spread fear as well by knocking it. The billionaires will knock it, so people lose confidence. People listen to the billionaires, the ones that have influence, and they say anything negative about Bitcoin, then it will fall to some a level that they're happy with to buy up again. And they'll do this for their friends. Their friends might approach them saying, I've missed out, I want to get in on this. And then they'll bring up stories which will obviously make you think that something's terrible about to happen to Bitcoin, and you start selling out of panic. And at the same time, they've snapped up your Bitcoin cheap, and they're sitting pretty. A lot of their agenda is long term because the way the economy is going at the moment, which is going to be hyperinflation at some point. Okay, they want to protect their wealth, they want to secure their future, and they know that Bitcoin is a way to do this, and they know at some point Bitcoin is going to be worth more than gold. Okay, so they're looking ahead, very much so, and this is the way we need to do it as well. Look ahead, and we need to. What the terminology is, dollar cost average. So when the Bitcoin falls, we just see that as an advantage. We will buy more and hold That way you don't feel the effects of, so we're not buying high, we're buying low. So when it rises, then we're laughing. When there's blood in the streets, everybody will panic, and that's the time you need to buy. When everybody's doing the opposite to what you're doing, they think you're crazy, but then it works. That's how people have become rich from cryptocurrencies, by buying when it's low. When everyone's panicking, you keep your head, and then you just keep doing your thing, buying and holding. People have actually made more from cryptocurrencies by buying and holding instead of trading. You can trade, and if you're very good at it, you can make money. But the market's so volatile at the moment. Nobody knows where it's going. People have been getting wiped out and wrecked big time because they don't know how the market's playing out. It's very volatile. So I just basically hold peace of mind. You don't have to worry about where the market's going. You don't have to be sat in front of your computer every minute worrying if what the price is going to be, if it's going to fall, if it's going to rise, looking for the way to get in on the next trade. People might say to you, oh, how successful they've been in trading. They've made thousands of dollars with their last trade, but what they probably haven't told you is what they've lost previously. You probably only hear about the good trades and don't hear about the bad ones. So they've been selective in what they're telling you. Whereas the ones that make the real money, if you just sit back, hold, and you become more successful, because 50% of the time you might be successful, then 50% of the other time you might not be. And then when you start trading, this is where emotion comes in, because if you lose, then you throw more money at it in the hope to recoup those losses, and you might get wrecked again. So you just keep going round in a circle, throwing good money after bad. Whereas if you just sit on it and hold, it's a longer term, obviously it's a longer term thing, but eventually it will come. Even if it takes weeks, months, years, you've got something solid, and at some point the price will rise, and then you'll reap the benefits. That's what I started doing now. I learnt my lesson by just sitting and holding. I've made more gains than trading in it, where you lose potentially more money. Okay, so this is just my take on it. Just keep your heads, keep focused on what you're doing. Don't be influenced by other people telling you, this is going to crash, and putting fear and panic into you, and trying to get your Bitcoin off you cheap. Just keep firm and hold. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, please leave a comment, smash the like button, and share the video, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.